Okay, we walked in through the laundry room. There's the little pantry. Oh my gosh! This is magnificent! I forgot we did the backsplash tile. Wow! Very cool. Ooh, that's the living room over there. I love this floor. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Ta-da! I love the concrete stamped floor. Wow, I love that counter. This looks wonderful. And now let's check out the second bedroom. Oh, look at all the goodies. Very, very cool. I guess I'll show the bedroom from over here.
Yeah.
Let's go in the other side now.
Okay.
There's nothing to see in that one.
Why?
Because it's just a one room, you can get into.
Oh, really? Bummer. Oh, I love this. Okay, let's take a picture of it. Okay, and there's the second half. Good. What is that called? The Bayou Blue is what it's called? Oh, it's such a hit. What a wonderful, wonderful color. You did good. Really nice.